Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about that how you can upload the reels on Instagram. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Instagram app. We are going to the Instagram app, so you have to open this, and after opening this, let's see how the reels are and how does they work, and after that we will discuss that how you can upload the reel too. So let's start. So we are going to the reel section. So as you saw, these are the reels, and if you want to upload the reels like this, so you can also do that. So you have to click on the plus icon. As you can see on the center we have a plus icon, so we have to click on this. For example, I'm going to upload the reel, so we have to select the reel as well. So as you can see, I'm going to upload this one, so I have selected this, and after clicking on the next, you have to provide the details like what is the caption of the video, or if you want to take, or if you want, you have to provide the audience information, that how or which type of audience should be. So in this way you have to select that, and after doing that, simply you have to click on the share and the reel will be published. So in this way you can upload the reel on Instagram. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.